Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's August 20th, 2018. I'm up here in the second food forest area next to the large pile composting system that I've been dealing with for about a month now, I guess. And so yesterday I came up and turned the pile. I actually turned the small pile as well yesterday. This one I just got finished last night. So as a bit of background information, it had been doing really super well, and this is the pile that had the material that was held over from last fall through the winter, and we had all of the other inputs from Purpose Farm and from the town, the leaves, all those materials. And so we had some areas that were really wet, some areas that were just the right moisture content. I mixed it up each time. Yesterday I turned the pile. I think the progress has been going well. Not great, but well. And we're just about finished with the whole process. It takes a little bit longer when some of it's a little bit over wet. And then this last week we got about just over 3 inches of rain, which is the total amount that we've had all summer, the second half of spring and this summer. 10-wheelers going by getting gravel from the gravel bed next door. The process, I think, is going very well. We had that rain. I was concerned, geez, is that going to be an issue, especially at the base because of the location we're at with the swales and all. The ground does retain a lot of moisture as a result. So I went ahead and turned it yesterday. It's progressing very, very well. I may turn it one more time, possibly two. Should this pile be covered now? Yes, but I'm super excited to have this beautiful compost ready, almost ready to go into the garden beds and creating new beds as well. It's a lot of work doing composting, especially when you're doing large systems like this, and it really requires a significant amount of attention and responsiveness when the temperatures get there. But I think it's entirely worth it. So I'm really concentrating a lot on building the soil and using good organic material to do that. So this process is necessary for us, so it pays off in the long run. It's not practical for everyone to do. But if you're in situations like we are, in a place where you really got terrible soil, and you have the time, the energy, and you can find the resources, this really does pay off. So what's going to follow is some GoPro footage showing the turning of the pile. Nothing too excited. I'll put a little music to it as well. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hit that bell icon if you want to be notified when we post more videos. And I'm always interested in feedback, so if you've got comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks so much for watching, folks, and have a fantastic day. Bye-bye now.